Hello student. After the discussion of classification of crystalline solid on the basis of intermolecular force, it is such as four type: molecular solid, ionic solid, metallic solid, and covalent solid. Today we are going to our next topic, crystal lattice. What is crystal lattice? Crystal lattice is the regular arrangement of the constituent particles, means atoms, molecules, or ions, of a crystal solid in 3D space. These crystal lattice consist by small units. This small units is called unit cell. In this figure, it's a unit cell consists to form a complete crystal lattice. So that unit cell is a smallest repeating unit in space lattice, which when repeated over and over again produce the complete crystal lattice, right? It is clear that unit cell repeated over and over again to form complete crystal lattice. When we are study to unit cell have six parameters, is called parameters of unit cell. This six parameter is three A's, A, V, and C, and three angles alpha, beta, and gamma. These three A's, A, V, and C, may be or not may be mutually perpendicular to each other, while alpha, beta, and gamma may be or not may be equal to each other. Alpha, angle alpha, is between A's B and C, while beta between A's C and A, and angle gamma is between A's A and B. So that clear? Okay, unit cell have six parameters, three A's and three angles. That's right. Now, on the basis of the six parameter, it crystal lattice have such seven types: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral, and triclinic. First is cubic. In cubic, three A's, ABC, A equals to V and V equals to C, and also three angles, alpha equals to beta and beta equals to gamma. NeCl, KCl are the common example of the cubic lattice. Tetragonal, in tetragonal is A equals to V but not equals to C, and also angles A equals to V equals to alpha equals to beta and equals to gamma. It means all the angles are same, equal, but AB is equal but C not equal. And third one is orthorhombic. A not equals to B not equals to C. It means all three A's are not equal to each other, while all the angles alpha, beta, and gamma equal. Alpha equal to beta, beta equal to gamma. It means all the angles are 90 degree. KNO3 BaSO4 is a common example of the orthorhombic. Fourth one is monoclinic. In monoclinic, all three is A not equals to V not equals to C. It means A three A's A, V, C are not equals to each other, while angle alpha and gamma is equals, while beta is not equals to 90 degree. PbCr2O2 is and sodium sulfate decahydrate is a common example of the monoclinic. Fifth is hexagonal. In hexagonal, is A equals to V, but AC not equals to AV. And angle alpha equals to beta, but gamma is not equals to, it means not equals to 90 degree. Right? ZNO and CDS, cadmium sulfide and zinc oxide is the common example of the hexagonal. Rhombohedral. In rhombohedral, 3 A's, A equals to B equals to C. It means all 3 A's are equal to the each other, while angle alpha equal to alpha equal to beta equals to gamma, but these angles are not equals to 90 degree. Calcium carbonate, mercury sulfide is a common example of the rhombohedral. And last one is triclinic. In triclinic, 3 is A not equals to V, B not equals to C. It means all 3 A's are not maybe mutual perpendicular to each other, while angle alpha not equals to beta not equals to gamma and not equals to 90 degree. Is it clear that cubic is a simple crystal lattice while triclinic a complex crystal lattice? Whenever ask the questions which crystal lattice is simple or which are complex structure, so then you can say easily that cubic is a simple crystal lattice while triclinic is a complex crystal lattice. Now, number of atoms per unit cell. There are 3 type of cubic lattice. First is simple or primitive cubic cell. Second one is BCC, body centered cubic cell. And third one is FCC, face centered cubic cell. First, we discuss simple or primitive cubic cell. Simple cell, they have 3 A's, ABC, and also 3 angles alpha, beta, and gamma. All are perpendicular to each other. They have 8 spare or constant particles. The constant particles are present at the corner of the cube. Each cube consists by 8 cube. It means the each atom's corner contributes 1/8 of each cube because it is shared by 8 cube. Contribute 1/8 shared by 8 cubes and have 8 atoms. We can easily find out the number of atoms present in unit cell, in simple unit cell, is equals to number of atoms multiply by contributions of the atoms. Number of atoms is 8 in a unit cell and 1/8 part contribute. That simple unit cell have 1 atom, right? BCC and FCC we will going to discuss next period. Thank you.